YouTube with the movie. This your boy Simpson back at you on the business channel, and today I'm talking about April Lajune. Go to her website, April Lajune, and get the do-it-yourself credit repair and do it yourself. I have the book. I've been had it. This stuff works. Go to her website, download it, and get it. And them like what, 20 or 30 bucks, but that will last you your lifetime and your kids as well. You can show them how to clear up their credit history. Because these credit bureaus, they cheating us. They part of the game that's being played against us. So get it and do it yourself. You don't have to pay nobody $200-300 every month to do it. We have to start doing stuff for ourselves. That's the only way we will survive in this game or any other game. And that's our problem. We want to pay people for everything. We should be knowledgeable about all of this stuff. Tax law, trust law, commercial law, and accounting. Because that's what it's about. We have to do it for ourselves. Ain't nobody gonna do nothing for us Simpson Road like I could do for myself. Why would I pay this man over here when I could study and study again? You know what I mean? Just keep studying and do it myself. So that's what we lack. We have to have confidence. We have to just start doing more for ourselves and stop being lazy, because that's a big problem with America. We don't read no more. We're being lazy, and these companies, they see us as their meal. That's it. So go to her website, get her book, and start doing it yourself. It shows you step by step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It goes all the way down. Get it. This will really help you. This is vital, very important information that you need to know. So with that said, I'm out. Y'all have a good one. Love y'all and stay safe and keep reading. Continue on that reading path and the path to success. I'm out.